What's up? Today I'm going to be trying to complete this parkour course. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of things. So, by the way, how you get here is you just climb up that wall, and then you come over here, and then you just try to parkour up to this, and then start doing parkour. Well, so yeah, I'm just gonna start. Move him. By the way, the guy who got me into this game, I'm not gonna say his name, but he's one of my best friends. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Uh, 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 uh. Ow! Oh my god. Good? You good? Okay, sorry. Where are you even punching? Wait, where was I? Oh, okay. You good? Alright. Alright. Bro, look at how fast. Alright. Bro, it's just overpowered. Alright. Alright. It's pretty overpowered. Like, these courses are just pretty good. And so I want to tell you guys about the person who actually got me into this game. So I'm not gonna say his real life name for this video. We're just gonna call him Cornelius. 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 Crap. No! I'm so bad. Ugh. And this is like, I mean, it's a very hard. Shut up. And holy moly, yeah, I'm not gonna say his name for this video. Once again, I'll just call him Cornelius. I'm backtracking so I can remember what I was saying. And we were at school. I was just like checking out my YouTube channel. He looked at my iPad. He was like, "Oh, that's pretty cool." And he told me to play this game. And I said, "Okay, I can try to make a video on it." I said, "Okay." I actually did not guarantee it to him, so if I'm just gonna call him once again. I already called him Cornelius. Cornelius, if you're watching this, you're welcome. By the way, guys, I'm so close to 150 subs. I just realized that. Share if you want to, but like, right? No, no, yeah, no. Wow, I hate this machete. It's, I, this is overpowered. I don't like that. Like, you don't need this. The only thing that you need is something like this. Like, learn how to wall climb and bounce off of things. Alright. Alright. Wow, that's pretty cool. Wait, is that it? Wow. Yeah. I no. Yeah. Uh. Wee. All right. Look. All right. So, thank you all for watching. That was a 5-minute video. Goodbye.